Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a cool Instagram story using the Wes Anderson font and music on CapCut. So here I have, you just need to import a photo with the Wes Anderson color adjustment to CapCut. So here I've already done the color adjustment. So if you guys want to know how I did the color grading for this Wes Anderson photo, you can just search in my channel, or I will write the link on my description later. Okay, so after you import the photo, so you can just go to the audio and then click on extracted and import the Wes Anderson music. So I download this video from TikTok with the Wes Anderson music on it, and you can just do the same, extract the sound, and then after that just adjust the duration of the photo to match with the music like this. Okay, I'm going to just adjust the color adjustment, make it through whole image like this, and after that you can just go to tags and then add your tags. Okay, I use this font that I add, the Castle Begali font that you can find on thefont.com, and then you need to go to style and use this font style like here. Adjust the size and also the position. After that, you can go to click on the check icon and copy the text and add another text. Okay, I'm going to okay, put it at the bottom, copy it again, and edit the text. Okay, so after you write all of the text, you can adjust the position and also the appearance of the text. Okay, you can put the text, you can choose to where the text will be appear. When the text will be appear like this, you can just adjust it as you like, or you can also match it with the beat of the music. Okay, I'm going to go like this. So when you click on play, the text will go like this, the story will go like this. Okay, you can just adjust it as you like, and after that you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.